So if you've ever had that dreaded squeal from your disc brakes on your bike, this is an ActBest Core ST bike. You know what I'm talking about, that loud squealing noise from your brakes. I'm going to show you how to get rid of it using a tool that you can get pretty easily on Amazon. This is a WorkPro Dremel tool, and one of the tools that it comes with is a sanding disc like this. So using this round disc, basically what you're going to end up doing is just making your way around your brake disc on both sides, all the way around wherever the pads contact it. I'm not going to turn it on because it's super loud, and then you can just spin the wheel by hand and make sure you get both sides of it. You're just going to try to rough up the surface, because that squealing noise that comes from having the surface be too smooth. So with this tool, again, with it on, you just want to work your way around. It's going to cause some noise and it's going to make some dust. So be sure you wear your safety glasses, wear some ear protection, and take care to be careful with that, not to also hit the motor or the spokes or any of the other essential parts. But with this WorkPro tool from Amazon, you can fix that dreaded brake squeal. I'll put a link to it below in the description, and leave a comment if you have any other questions or thoughts. Enjoy the ride.